This is a chapter of my Python for Beginners course. If you missed the previous parts about calculating and variables, click on this video first. Until now, you have seen how to create variables and print them. But what if you want to show a message to the user and insert values in that message? The example on the screen shows a message that says "Hello?" ? We would like to show a name instead of a question mark. Modern programming languages have a technique to combine variables and text. This technique is called string interpolation. String interpolation allows you to insert variables at a certain position in a string. In Python, a string that inserts variables starts with the character f. When an f is in front of the string, we call the string an f-string. Look at the curly brackets. The brackets indicate where variables are inserted in the text. Let me demonstrate this to you. I start by creating a new file called formatting.py. I create a variable called name and assign Vera to it. Now we use an f-string to combine the text hello and the name Vera. I type an f, followed by the string. We are at the position where we want to insert the name. To do this, we use curly brackets and the variable name. We end the string as usual. Let me execute the code. We say that the curly brackets are the placeholders for variables. F-strings can contain more than one placeholder. Let me show you. I create a variable for the salary. And print it. I execute the code. Now the name and salary are inserted in the text. Now it's your turn. In this exercise, you are going to practice f-strings. Insert the variables city and temperature in an f-string. Pause the video and resume when you're done. And here is the solution. Let me also write the code. I create the variables city and temperature. Then I create an f-string that inserts the variables. I execute the code. Very nice. F-strings allow you to insert variables in text. F-strings are very powerful and we will use them often in this course. And that's all for this chapter. There is many more to learn, and if you like my style of teaching, enroll in my Python Basics course. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.